I'm here to demonstrate quickly the Opus RSU1D auto dialer interface box together with the GSM auto dialer and the new Opus D14 two-way radio. The radio has been set with three different alarm types. The first one is the orange button on the top, which you can press and hold to trigger a panic alarm. The second one is a man down alarm if the radio were to fall over and remain in the prone position for more than 30 seconds. It will emit alarm beeps. After 30 seconds, if the radio is not stood up, it will trigger an alarm to other radios and also to the auto dialer box. And the third type of alarm is what we call a lone worker alarm, which is after 60 minutes of the user not interacting with the radio at all, not pressing any buttons, changing channel or transmitting. The radio will emit warning beeps for 30 seconds. The user can press any button on the display or on the radio to acknowledge that they're still awake and coherent. If they fail to do that, then that will also send an alarm to the system. I'm going to quickly demonstrate here with two radios, the auto dialer, and I've got it dialing here to my mobile phone. Because we're using a GSM auto dialer, it can also send an SMS message to my phone. When it triggers, it will make a siren noise, so you won't be able to hear me talk, but I will show you on the screen exactly what we've got going on. So the two radios, they're all on the same channel, which in this case is channel 1, and we've set up the RSU1D in this case to only operate on channel 1, so that it can allow users to use other radio channels without worrying about triggering the RSU1. We can also configure it so that whichever radio channel your users are operating on, the RSU1 will be triggered. So I'm going to trigger this with the orange button on the top. So I'm just going to press and hold this. I've set it to 2 seconds, but we can either change that so that the button is instantly pressed for an emergency, or up to 5 seconds. So here we can see on the other radio, the alarms come through. We can also see that the system here is triggered. On my mobile phone, you can see we've got a trigger message, and it will now dial my mobile phone. And I can silence it by pressing the start. The radios are still triggering because they need to be silenced, and to silence them, it's just a brief press of the orange button on the top. That's the system. Simple.